So have you ever gone to the store for something and then you see something that you really didn't intend to get, but the deal was just too good to pass up? That's what the deal was here with this DeWALT impact and brushless drill driver set, complete with batteries in a bag. I haven't opened it up yet. It's model DCK277C2. And normally this is over $200 for this set. And I saw it for $159. And you can't have too many drills and drivers and impacts. So pick one up and we're going to unbox it. Coming up. Hi, I'm Roger. Welcome to a very messy shop. As you can see here, everything's somewhat of a disaster all over the place because we've been making all the millwork and molding pieces and little miscellaneous things, windowsills and so on for the renovation house. Plus we're doing all the shipping for our e-commerce business, and of course if you've watched my previous videos, you know those are plants, ground covers, and perennials. We ship them all over the country, and this being late May, it's a busy time of year. But we're gonna look at this DeWALT driver, and if I can get this thing open. So I went into, actually I was in Lowe's. It's not someplace I normally shop for materials, but I needed something specific from there. And when I walked down the aisle to where the hardware and such was, they had all these on display for $159, and normally like $199 or $219 or something like that. And I thought, well, I've got drills here, I've got drills at the renovation house, but nothing's always where I need it. So I have a bag in a box, and within this bag there better be a drill and a driver, impact driver, and here would be the drill, 20-volt brushless. So it's just like one of the other ones I have, all the directions that most guys never read anyway, and the impact driver. And I do have two of these. One of these is one identical to this, and the other one is one of the older 18-volt models. And yes, that still works, and yes, I still have batteries that work. And we got the DCB107 charger. And we have a couple of batteries. These are the, I think these are the 1 amp hour. Well, I don't even say anymore. 1.5 amp hour. Used to say that on the side. And I'll get these on the charger. I don't generally use the little skinny ones here unless I'm in tight quarters, because they don't last very long. I like the 5 amp hour ones, and I have quite a few of those because I am already vested in the DeWALT platform. So everything, let's see if these have a charge in them at all. These don't have the little indicator lights on to tell you. That one has a charge. The bigger ones have indicator lights on the end you can push, and it'll let you know the state of your battery. And that one also has somewhat of a charge, but we'll get them on the charger and have them ready to go. So here you have it, complete with the charger, $159 at Lowe's. Heck of a deal, couldn't pass it up. That's all I've got on this little short video. Just wanted to unbox this, show you what you get. If you're not familiar with this drill, it does have 2 speeds where you can change it and slow it way down. And also on here, it's right now there's a little arrow at the top. It's set for drill. You can also set your, if you're using it as a driver so you don't overdrive something, you can turn down the torque on it. You can turn it all the way down to number 1 there. And it'll keep you from overdriving something. That's important if you're doing something sensitive. And I'll keep it in the drill mode, and I'll keep it on high speed. So there it is. Got something out of this. Appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Of course, always looking for subscribers. And next to that subscribe button's a little bell. You ring that bell, you'll be notified when I post another video. Otherwise, I'm Roger in the shop. Another set of DeWALT tools. Can't have too many. See you in the next one.